Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of the National Stadium. Now the government is spending millions of dollars to upgrade or renovate this stadium. So I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think it's time that they build a new national stadium and use this one as a training field or something? No, there are certain standards that a stadium must meet to host an international event. You need a certain the lighting must be at a certain standard. And this stadium, they have to spend millions to upgrade the lighting. You need other infrastructure for it to be able to host, say, a FIFA game. And they have to be spending millions of dollars, US dollars, to get this stadium up to meet the minimum requirements to host some of these events. So there is so much space at this facility. I think they call it Independent Park, or this is a national stadium, but you have a swimming pool, you have a basketball court, you have a lot of other areas around here. So there's a lot of space. You don't have to demolish this stadium. You can build a new stadium on this compound and have a world-class stadium. Now this stadium has the running track that you're looking at. It has the football field, and it even has a cycling track. I'm not sure if they do cycling in Jamaica, like professional competitions, Olympic standards in Jamaica. I'm not sure. But, I mean, if the funds are there, you could even have a stadium for track and field separate from football. But maybe not. You could just build a new one for track and field and football. Cycling can stay at this facility. So guys, let us know what you think. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The National Stadium in Jamaica is set for a major renovation as part of a broader plan to modernize the country's sports infrastructure. This upgrade will include improvements to seating, lighting, and facilities to meet international standards, enhancing the experience for athletes and spectators alike. The project aims to expand the stadium's capacity and incorporate more sustainable and energy-efficient technologies. The Jamaican government and the Ministry of Sport have been working on securing funding with support anticipated from public-private partnerships and international organizations. This renovation is intended to help Jamaica host more regional and international sporting events, reinforcing the country's position in the global athletic community. Now, Jamaica has been a major force in track and field. For 3 Olympics straight, Usain Bolt won the 100 meter and the 200 meter. And Jamaica has won the 4x100 meter relays. 3 Olympic Games. Shelley Ann Fraser-Pryce has won numerous 100 meter championships, and Elaine Thompson has won gold in the 100 meter and 200 meter women's at the finals at the Olympic Games. 2 different games. And so Jamaica is a powerhouse in track and field. We should have had a new stadium built for track and field years ago. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Is it time to build a new stadium, a new national stadium in Jamaica? And it can be built on this very same compound. There is a lot of space. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.